Okay, this should be a very quick one. If you look at the April, May, June, July, whatever, Aurelia, Innisfil, Oro, you will see that they're missing some stuff. So we have this and this and this. We're going to copy those things over. And then we're going to make one sheet that has all the totals. So first of all, I'm going to select all these sheets and then copy this and do fill across worksheets. And because this is both content and formats, we'll do all. Same for the first two rows here. And yeah, department gets done twice, no big deal. Kind of has to because of merging in the top one. And all. So now if we look on Aurelia, Innisfil, Oro, they're all done. Yeah. So back to Barry. While I still have them all, I'm going to auto sum, total. Use Format Painter. Okay, and you can see that it is on all of them. So now what we need to do, I need to ungroup, because what I need here is the sum of Barry, Aurelia, Innisfil, and Oro. So I usually move this in front because that's what I'm used to, but let's give this a try. So equals sum, open a bracket. I'm clicking over to Barry and there, and then hold shift and click to Oro, enter. Now, I could do each one of those, right? I can do equal sum, open a bracket, click in February, hold shift, over to the last tab, enter. And I can do each one at a time, but I don't need to because you can autofill, autofill. Everything's done, right? Now I am going to want to do a little bit more formatting. So I'm going to select all of them. And let's pop these in a little bit. Just looks better. Total. No. Keep that. This, no. I want to be on here. There we go. Format Painter total. And then we're going to apply cell styles total. Add all of the numbers. And this is doing all of the numbers on all of the worksheets all at once. Let's bold these. Now remember, you don't put total style on totals that are like this because it looks really, really dumb. So total style goes underneath, but not, there we go. That's much better. Okay, so that should have applied the same styles to all of our worksheets. And this is all good. Now, let's see if there's anything else. Add totals for each month and for each department in row E. Calculate total values. Perfect. While I have this, let's just do, I'm going to click off to ungroup. And I'm going to go to the yearly totals and do a little bit of a chart. So let's do these. Remember, when you're doing a pie chart, you don't have to calculate percentage. All you do is select the two ranges. I held Control so I could grab the two non-adjacent ranges. Insert pie chart. I'm going to do a 3D one. I just want to remind you of things like this, though this is total total percentage by department. Let's do percentage by department, not total, because we're not including totals. Okay, that's better. Okay, and we are going to move chart location to a new sheet. How is to a new sheet? Unless you're putting it on a dashboard or something, but we want a new sheet right now. So percentage by department, and I'm going to put CC in front so it matches there. Okay, and I want to make sure that that is, actually that's fine, it can stay there. Okay, so that's that.